Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from algebra. We have to evaluate expression x power 5 minus 1 over x power 5 if x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 is 970. Given that x is real number and positive. So let's get started by considering this is equation 1. Required expression is suppose E. Now I will begin with RHS of given equation. If I will write 970, I can write 970 is greater than 729 and less than 4096. So 729 is 3 power 6. 4096 is 4 power 6. If I will consider this phenomena or this logic to our equation, I can conclude x must be in the interval 3 and 4. So our x would be lying in the interval 3 and 4. Now I will use substitution. Let us say x is square plus 1 over x is square. Suppose this is equal to u. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So I will write x is square plus 1 over x is square whole cube equal to u cube. Now we will apply a plus b whole cube formula. We will write x is square whole cube. This is a cube. 1 over x is square whole cube. This is b cube plus 3 times ab. So we will write 3 times x is square times 1 over x is square times a plus b. So we need to write x is square plus 1 over x is square equal to RHS cube, which is u cube. Now we will cancel x square with x square. X square plus 1 over x square is u. Now we will use one powerful exponent law, a power b whole power c. This is equal to a power b times c. So I can write our equation. X power 2 times 3 is x power 6 plus 1 over x power 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3 times u equal to u cube. Now this is known to us, it is 970. So I can write 970 plus 3u equal to u cube. Take all the terms to one side, we will get u cube minus 3u minus 970 equal to 0. Now we will split 970. So we will be writing here u cube minus 3u. Then we will write minus sign. In bracket we will be writing 1000 minus 30. So we can write from here u cube. Then I will write minus 1000. Then we can write minus 3u. Then there will be plus 30 equal to 0. Now 1000 is 10 cube. So we can write u cube minus 10 cube. So that we can apply a cube minus b cube formula. Then we will take minus 3 common out. In the bracket we are going to get u minus 10 equal to 0. Now we will apply a cube minus b cube formula here. So we can write u minus 10 in one bracket. In other bracket we are going to write u square plus 10u plus 10 square. So we can write 100. Then we have minus 3 times u minus 10 equal to 0. Now u minus 10 we will take overall common. So u minus 10 is overall common. In other bracket we have to write u square plus 10u plus 100 minus 3 equal to 0. Or we can write u minus 10 times u square plus 10u plus 100 minus 3 is 97 equal to 0. Now we will apply product 0 rule. So we will write two equations, either u minus 10 equal to 0 or this quadratic u square plus 10u plus 97 equal to 0. So we will write either u minus 10 equal to 0 or u square plus 10u plus 97 equal to 0. So from our first equation, we are going to get real value of u equal to 10. Now we have to check here the discriminant value for quadratic expression u square plus 10u plus 97. So as per formula, b square minus 4ac, b is 10. So we will write 10 square minus 4 times 1 times 97. So I can write 10 square is 100 minus 4 times 97. We will write here 388. So discriminant value will be minus 288. Once discriminant is negative, we are going to get complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation, reject it. So accepted u would be u equal to 10. Now u was our substitution, if you remember, x square plus 1 over x square, this is equal to 10. Let me write here x square plus 1 over x square, this is equal to 10. Now I will use one algebraic manipulation step. I will subtract 2 from both the sides. So I will write x square plus 1 over x square as it is. Then we will write minus 2. So in the RHS, 10 minus 2. We have subtracted minus 2 from both the sides. Now LHS will give us x minus 1 over x whole square. And this would be equal to 10 minus 2, 8. 8 can be written as 2 square root 2 whole square. Now we will take square root both sides. We will get x minus 1 over x equal to plus minus 2 square root 2. Now our x is lying in the interval 3 and 4. So x minus 1 over x, this quantity must be positive. So we are going to reject this minus sign. So we will write here rejected. So our accepted value of x minus 1 over x would be plus 2 root 2 or 2 root 2. Now we are going to consider cubing both sides, so that we will get x cube minus 1 over x cube value. So I will write x minus 1 over x. If this is equal to 2 square root 2, we will consider cubing both sides, power 3, power 3. Now we will apply a cube minus a minus b whole cube formula. So we will write a cube minus b cube minus 3 times x times 1 over x. This is 3ab term times x minus 1 over x, a minus b, and RHS would be 2 cube is 8, root 2 cube is 2 root 2. So 8 times 2 root 2 is 16 root 2. Now we will cancel x with x. x cube minus 1 over x cube minus 3 times x minus 1 over x. So we'll write 3 times 2 root 2 equal to 16 root 2. Now this is 6 root 2. So we will add 6 root 2 to both sides to get the value of x cube minus 1 over x cube. So our value will become 16 root 2 plus 6 root 2. Or I can write x cube minus 1 over x cube will be equal to 22 square root 2. Now I will write this equation in the box. And our second equation was x square plus 1 over x square equal to 10. Now this is our required expression. So let me write our expression formula directly. We will write x power 5 minus 1 over x power 5. This will be equal to x square plus 1 over x square times x cube minus 1 over x cube minus of x minus 1 over x. We can check, we can multiply x square with x cube, x power 5, 1 over x square times minus 1 over x cube minus 1 over x power 5, and the cross product will give us x minus 1 over x. We have to take away. So that is why it is minus of x minus 1 over x. Now we have to apply all the known values. X minus 1 over x is 2 root 2. Let's plug in all the values to collect our final expression value. Left hand side we will be writing E. RHS would be x square plus 1 over x square 10 times x cube minus 1 over x cube 22 root 2 minus x minus 1 over x, this is 2 square root 2. So I can write here 220 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So our final answer for this problem would be 218 square root 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.